Welcome to Dragon's Den.
Your pitch is really neat, and something about the way you present made me think of a magician.
You are entertaining and engaging and funny.
I do like it. I like you.
Pete, love your energy, love your enthusiasm.
Hi, I'm Pete, also known as Pete the Speaker. If you know anyone who's been to my workshops, email them, speak to them, ask them what the experience was like. I regularly get the highest praise and feedback from my audiences, and every venue that's ever booked me as a speaker has asked me to return.
This was different from other workshops because it was so much more interactive. We actually played a game, we set up a mini business in real life, and that helped me remember things. So rather than just listening to someone speak for hours on end, it was very interactive, and I really enjoyed that aspect.
I found my own voice in public speaking as I discovered that my audiences really engage when they could be at the centre of the experience, taking part on a practical level, designing their own products, setting up their own simulated business, pitching, trading, and doing all the skills that we use in business.
For other people wondering whether they want to come to this, I'd recommend it. He's very good at putting things across in a very kind of normal way for anyone can understand. You'll definitely take something away from the session, and it's delivered in a fun way as well.
My branding is this little white logo. Where you see this, it's a sign of quality. I promise if you attend one of my workshops, it will be entertaining, engaging, dynamic and fun. You will be at the centre of the event. You'll be involved as much or as little as you want. I'll teach you the practical skills you need in business, plus the theories and knowledge that underpin business success.